Okay, let's start with chapter number 13, that is the new ideas. So in this chapter, let's study about story of Buddha and Mahavira. So let's study about Buddhism. It is found in northern India by the prince of Siddhartha, Gautam, who was born in 563 in Mumbai. And it is located in the foothills of Nepal. It's the heart of Buddhism. And religion in the later Vedic period become complicated और बहुत ज़्यादा complex और expensive become. So the lower caste were discriminated and were not allowed to enter temples and read Vedas और ना ही आपको religious ceremonies attend कर सकते. Right? So the people looking for an alternative, that is single religion, and they could understand which was not expensive. It is against this background Jainism and Buddhism arose. दो religion आए, Jainism and Buddhism. वहीं जो सिद्धार्थ गौतम, he belongs to the स्मॉल गना जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं शाक्य गना, एंड वॉज क्षत्रिय एंड वॉज नोन एज बुद्धा और द एनलाइटेंड एंड वन आफ्टर लॉन्ग मेडिटेशन. हिज फादर वॉज सुधोधना एंड वॉज द चीफ ऑफ द शाक्य क्लैन. इनकी जो मदर थी माया, शी डाइड व्हेन शी वॉज 7 days old and was brought up here with her stepmother Gautami. Siddhartha grew up amidst great luxury, and we can see on return he saw a sadhu on the way and asked his introduction from his chariot channel. He replied, he is a saint, he is saint too, and he was surrendered all his sorrow and joy in searching the lots of facts of life. According to legends, he realized that hollowness of the worldly pleasure, and he decided to leave his home. उन्होंने decide करा कि वो अपना घर छोड़ेंगे, family in a palace, in order to discover cause of suffering and meaning of life, जिसको हम great renunciation कहते हैं, which is known as महाप्रत्यय. Right? Next is Siddhartha spent 2 years at Vaishali with famous philosopher जिनका नाम था अलर कलमा, and he was not satisfied with his teaching, and where did he move? He moved to राजगीर. वो राजगीर चले जाते हैं, and he sat down under a peepal tree of Bodh in Bihar, और उन्होंने meditation start करा, and let my life go dry up and I will not leave this poster till I have perfect attainment. Nearly 49 days of meditation, he became enlightened and came to be known as Buddha or Tathagata, and the tree under which he attained knowledge became the tree of Buddha, tree of wisdom and Bodhi Vriksha. There he attained enlightenment at Sarnath and foundation of Buddhist Sangha. From Sarnath, Buddha proceeds to many places, and the preaching of Buddha was in language of common people. और वो क्या थी? That is Prakrit. तो Prakrit language में उन्होंने बताया. And Gautam Buddha took Mahaparinivan at Kushinagar in Gorakhpur district at the age of 80. Now contribution क्या कहते हैं? Buddhists use Pali language. इन्होंने पाली लैंग्वेज का यूज करा राइटिंग में. इन्होंने 3 टाइप्स ऑफ लिटरेचर लेके आए. पहले में सेइंग्स थी, टीचिंग्स थी बुद्धा की. सेकंड में क्या थे? रूलर्स टू बी ऑब्जर्व बाय द मेंबर. फिलोसफी ऑफ धम्मा आपकी थर्ड में. इससे हम क्या कहते हैं? टीचिंग ऑफ बुद्धा को त्रिपिटका. ठीक है, विनय पिटका, सुख पिटका और अभिधम्मा पिटका. नाउ टीचिंग ऑफ बुद्ध क्या थे? 4 नोबल ट्रुथ थे. लाइफ इज फुल ऑफ सफरिंग एंड अनहैप्पीनेस. कॉज ऑफ सफरिंग इज ह्यूमन कार्य. देखो कि हमारे जो डिजायर है वो कभी फुलफिल हो ही नहीं सकते. भाई आज हम पे कुछ अच्छी चीज़ है तो हम सोचेंगे भाई आज आप पे फ़ोन की अगर हम बात कर लेते हैं, आज आपको कोई कीपैड फ़ोन है तो आप सोचेंगे आपके पास टच हो, टच वाला हो तो और अच्छे ब्रांड हो. राइट? सो इट इज़ अ डिज़ायर that cannot be satisfied. Suffering can be ended by overcoming desire. To end desire and hence suffering, आपको freedom लेना पड़ेगा. Is cycle of birth and death. Eightfold क्या है? Right belief, right thought, speech, action, means of livelihood, right effort, memory and meditation. So Buddha condemned animal sacrifice. उन्होंने कहा कोई भी एनिमल्स को नहीं मारा जाएगा. Preached अहिंसा, किसी भी तरीके का कोई वायलेंस नहीं होगा. नॉन वायलेंस का इन्होंने. रिजल्ट ऑफ एक्शंस कर्मा इफेक्ट बोथ लाइफ. भाई आपकी आज की लाइफ और आगे की लाइफ दोनों को इफेक्ट करेगा. लॉर्ड बुद्धा स्ट्रांगली कंडेम्ड द कास्ट सिस्टम एंड ही स्ट्रेस्ड ऑन मॉरल वैल्यूज. आपको मॉरल वैल्यूज से ऑनेस्टी, नॉन वायलेंस, ओबीडियंस, एल्डर्स की रिस्पेक्ट करनी है. ही इनकरेज पीपल टू थिंक फॉर देमसेल्फ रादर देन टू एक्सेप्ट व्हाट ही और एनीबॉडी सेड. राइट? देयर वर मेनी वेज इन बुद्धा ट्राइड टू स्प्रेड हिज मैसेज टू द ऑर्डिनरी पीपल. ठीक है, जितने भी मेंस थे, वुमेन्स थे, दे जॉइंड बुद्धा. एंड सिंप्लिसिटी ऑफ टीचिंग एंड प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इक्वालिटी, इट्स अपील द पीपल. एंड ग्रेजुअली व्हाट हैपेंड? Gradually Buddhism spread not only in India इंडिया के साथ साथ और भी कंट्रीज में हुआ, जैसे आपके तिब्बत, चाइना, नेपाल, श्रीलंका, बुर्मा, जापान. और टुडे आवर पेरेंट्स वांट देयर चिल्ड्रन टू नो अबाउट इट ऑल्सो. नाउ किसा गोतमी, she was a woman, she was carrying her son dead body whom she loved so much. She went from one physician to another. ठीक है, वो जाती हैं एक फिजिशियन से दूसरे फिजिशियन, पूछती है कि एट लास्ट शी रीच्ड बुद्धा. उन्होंने प्रे करा टू हिम ऑफ सनलाइट. ही नोटिस हर इग्नोरेंस एंड सेड ब्रिंग मी अ हैंडफुल मस्टर्ड. वो कहता है कि कुछ हैंडफुल मस्टर्ड लेके आओ कहीं से एंड आई विल ब्रिंग योर चाइल्ड बैक. लेकिन उसने क्या बोला कि सीड्स वहाँ से नीचे जहाँ किसी की घर में डेथ ना हो. So Kushmi went door to door and found that someone or other had died in every family. She learned the message that Buddha and buried the dead body, and she decided to end the endless circus of life and death. And what she entered? She entered the Buddhist order. Now later Vedic text. So Upanishad are the part of later Vedic text. They literally mean approaching and sitting near the teachers. The texts present the ideas through a simple dialogue between teachers and students, and these teachers were great thinkers, especially the Brahmins थे, right? So they described what Atma or individual soul and the Brahma universal soul. Stories की बात करते हैं हम चाणक्य उपनिषद. A beggar was denied food by two sages, Sukra or Abhiprata, who worship universal soul. Beggar argued that the universal soul fills the entire world. It fills him too, as he was also a part of world. कि मैं भी क्या हूँ इस वर्ल्ड का पार्ट हूँ, राइट. एंड दे ऑल्सो मेंशन्ड वुमेन थिंकर इन द उपनिषद, दैट इज गार्गी. शी वॉज फेमस फॉर हर लर्निंग एंड डिबेटेड इन रॉयल कोर्ट. शी वॉज बेस्ट नोन थिंकर एट द टाइम ऑफ सत्यकाम चावला एंड नेम्ड आफ्टर हिज मदर जबाली, राइट. इट इज सेड दैट देयर वर 108 उपनिषद, ओनली सम ऑफ देम वर अवेलेबल नाउ. अब आपको बहुत कम देखने को मिलते हैं. द अर्लियर वंस लाइक बृहदत्तन, चाणक्य उपनिषद, एंड लेटर वी हैव कथा एंड सेवास्त्र as a verse. फिर है आपकी पाणिनि. ये भी एक स्कॉलर थी ग्रामर और संस्कृत की. अष्टधाई जो इनकी बुक थी जिसमें 8 चैप्टर्स थे. इन्होंने वॉवल्स और कॉन्सोनेंट्स को अरेंज करा हुआ था. दे वर यूज्ड दीस टू क्रिएट अलजेब्रा, शॉर्ट फॉर्मूलाज, राइट. हिज वर्क कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3000 रूलर्स फॉर संस्कृत एंड ग्रामर. द संस्कृत एंड ग्रामर दैट वी यूज टुडे was based on Pandit rulers. Grammar is a great intellectual achievement of that time. Now system of ashram. आश्रम का सिस्टम क्या था? आश्रम सिस्टम was another important feature of social life. जो धर्म शास्त्र के टाइम पे सोशल लाइफ का स्ट्रक्चर था. Here means halting place. Social organization, it's implied that stoppage in the journey of life with the view to prepare what? 4 आश्रम थे, that is ब्रह्मचार्य, गृहस्थ, वैश्य और सन्यास. मैंने आपको बताया it was obligatory for the member of higher caste, this is द्विजा, to observe आश्रम सिस्टम, राइट. और जो ब्राह्मण्स थे, क्षत्रियास थे, वैश्यस थे, दे एक्वायर्ड द प्रोमिनेंट स्ट्रक्चर इन द सोसाइटी. ब्रह्मचार्य क्या था? इट लास्टेड अप टू एज ऑफ 25 पर्सन अचीविंग एजुकेशन. गृहस्थ 26 to 50 पर्सन रिसीविंग एजुकेशन. वानप्रस्थ आश्रम 51 to 75. ये फेज होता है जब आप फॉरेस्ट में चले जाते हो, ठीक है, संन्यास. फिर आपका होता है संन्यास आश्रम. फाइनल स्टेज होती है, ठीक है. इट इज अ जर्नी ऑफ इंडिविजुअल एंड द सिस्टम ऑफ आश्रम अलाउ मेन टू स्पेंड सम पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ इन मेडिटेशन. इन क्या करते हैं? कुछ पार्ट जो अपना वो मेडिटेशन में निकाल. अब हम महावीरा की टीचिंग्स की बात करते हैं. दैट इज वर्धधामना. इस वॉज क्षत्रिय प्रिंस ऑफ लिच्छावी ग्रुप, वज्जी संघा के थे. सिद्धार्थ जो थे वो हेड थे आपके क्षत्रिय जंत्रिका ट्राइब के. मदर कौन थे? त्रिशला, जो लिच्छावी प्रिंस थी. एट द एज ऑफ 30 शी लेफ्ट होम एंड बिकम एन ascetic and she medicated. After 12 years he got alignment. He become Jina and the Mahavira. Jina means conqueror of illusion. Mahavira जो थे, he was a holder of great power of soul. Mahavira taught the equality of all souls, humans, animals, insects, plants, even bacteria. So what Mahavira said that law to live to all of them life is dear. This is called rule of ahimsa. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Rule of ahimsa कहते हैं. Here the similarities and differences are given on the both Jainism and Buddhism. You can read them. Now the Mahavira taught the language of ordinary people, that is Prakrit, and where it is spoken in Magadh, it is known as Maghi, Shoshin Prakrit, and Maharashtra. राइट. सो व्हाट आर द संघा. संघा की बात करते हैं हम. संघा कौन थे? सच द इफेक्ट ऑफ द टीचिंग ऑफ महावीरा बुद्धा on people from all worlds, their thousands left their homes to learn and teach a new life, who could not remain behind and supported them with food and medicine, because both Mahavira and Buddha दोनों क्या करते थे? emphasize on leaving home to gain true knowledge. right? इन्होंने क्या करा? true knowledge attain करने के लिए इन्होंने अपना घर बार छोड़ दिया. right? And the Mahavira and Buddha directed them how to stay together, and a group and association of those who left their homes in the society was called Sangh. And Sangh were different from political Sangh or Gana, which represented a form of government. एक तरीके की क्या थी? Form of government. Children has to take permission of their parents. बच्चों को अपने parents की permission लेनी पड़ती थी as their part. And married women that of husband. The servants of the king had to take his permission, and slaves of their masters and debtors of their respective creditors. Now the rulers of Buddhist Sangha were later written down in a book जिसे विनय पिटका कहते हैं. Men and women जिन्होंने join करा संघा, they had to live a simple life. They meditated for most of the time and went to cities. ये cities में जाते थे, villages में जाते थे. ठीक है, इनको हम भिक्खुस कहते हैं. Right? They also helped in writing down the teaching of Buddha, opening schools to impart education. And they helped in building stupas. इन्होंने क्या बनाए? Stupas. Now viharas or monastery. Monasteries क्या थी? They were very unique. They were very unique for the contribution of Buddhism to art and architecture. Since Buddhist monks went from one place to another, spreading the message of Buddhism, they built their supports right where they could take. जहाँ पे वो supports बना सकते थे, वहाँ पे लेते थे. And shelter, especially during the rainy season, their monastery were called viharas. So we can say the ordinary people थे, वो contribution करते थे in the form of gifts, clothes, and earliest monasteries were built of wood, and later bricks were used in Western India. Right? Monasteries जो थी, it was comprised of small rooms for shelter monks, और जो Buddhist monasteries थी, they become great centers of learning. जैसे आपकी नालंदा हो गई और आपकी विक्रमशिला हो गई. बिहार में famous है. They are left in the mark of art. Greek and Indian sculpture work to create a new kind of art in Northwest Frontier. Right? The images of Buddha and Greek features and the Greek hair. Later Buddhists made stupas, जिसमें क्या थे? relics थे बुद्धा. Now stupas क्या थे? ये semi-circular, ऐसे semi-circular round of earth थे with sacred relics of Buddha. Right? There is a small central chamber where the relic is kept inside a casket. A fence path थी, जिसे हम प्रदक्षिणा कहते हैं, that surround stupa. Right? Some stupas like Sachi stupa, ये आपका साची का स्तूपा है. It was created by Chaitya prayer hall है ये brick से बना हुआ है. In the other parts of the world, around 2500 years ago, Zoroaster was an Iranian prophet. ठीक है, Zoroastrians जो थे, it was a major religion of Iran, which migrated from Iran and settled down in the coastal town of Gujarat and Maharashtra. Right? ये कहाँ के settled हो गए थे? गुजरात और महाराष्ट्र के coast पे. Iran was called Persia in ancient times. Paris, Parsis in India. Jain अवस्था इनकी religious book थी, right? And they were similar to those of Vedas. And basic teaching जो थी, वो good thought, good words और good deeds shall create a peace. Right? This is all in this chapter. Now we have completed it. Let's move to the exercise. Now, according to Upanishad, the Atma and Brahman were ultimately two. A woman thinker of Upanishads was Gargi. Now, Gautam Buddha become Buddha under the tree. People. Right belief, right knowledge, right conduct are called. इनको क्या बोला जाता है? That is त्रिरत्न. The writer of Ashtadhyayi grammar was, कौन थे अष्टधाई ग्रामर के? That is Panini. Now fill in the blanks. At dash Buddha attain alignment at Bodh Gaya. Next is Mahavira died at Pavapuri. सिद्धार्थ वॉज कॉल्ड, सिद्धार्थ को क्या बोला जाता था? बुद्धा. गौतम बुद्ध वॉज बॉर्न एट डैश, कहाँ बॉर्न हुए थे? लुम्बिनी. Dash was the real name of Buddha, that is Siddhartha. Now match the following. That is Subodhana, king of Kapilavastu. Mahavira, Mahavira 540 BC. Buddha, that is religious order. Vardhma, Lumbini, Dilwara temple, Bihar. Sangha, Dilwara temple, Dream in Marble, and Sangha is Bihar. Now true false, Upanishad thinker believe that Atma and Brahman are ultimately one. True. 25 years ago, Sanskrit was the language of common people. False. Prakrit was the language of common people. The Upanishad contains teaching of Buddha. False. Siddhartha attained enlightenment at Bodh Gaya. It's true. Satyakam Jabla was a Kshatriya prince. It's true. Buddhism was popular in China only. False. बहुत जगह, China, Tibet, in many places. Now answer the following question. Discuss about Zoroaster's explain system of ashram. आपको compare करना है Jainism and Buddhism के बीच में. Now what are Mahavira's teaching? Discuss. Explain the teaching of Buddha. And then how is Sarnath important to Buddhists? And how was it easy for slave to join Sangha? What were the main teachings of Mahavira? What were the questions that Upanishadic thinkers wanted to answer? How did Buddha try to spread his message to the people? Right? This is all in this chapter. Now, the chapter has been completed. We will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.